In this video, you will learn how to use wildcards for partial matches in Microsoft Excel. Wildcards are special characters or symbols. You can use the wildcard function to represent diverse phrases in a group of words that have common names in an Excel file. This saves you a lot of time searching for values, especially when doing data entry or research. To get started, I have navigated to this page by clicking on the Formulas tab on the top row of Microsoft Excel. But you can use this function across different tabs. I have my dataset, which contains all the different business types and the different branches. Using the wildcards function, I want to find the number of outstations and the total branches for each business type. In this case, I will use a type of wildcard known as an asterisk. An asterisk is a star symbol that represents one or more characters that appear before the common word. To do this, I click on the first cell and type in the county formula. And now I will count all the cells that have this word supermarket. First, I add the range by clicking on the first cell and then pressing Ctrl, Shift and the downward arrow on my keyboard and lock the cells by pressing the F4 key on my keyboard. Next, I want to add the criteria, and here is where I will use an asterisk. I'll add the asterisk by typing the opening quotation marks, the asterisk and the closing quotation marks. I then add the and symbol from my keyboard. Now, I will add the criteria so that each of the words that end with the word supermarket will be captured in my counting process. I then close the bracket and press the Enter key on my keyboard, and my answer will be generated. To find the answer to total branches for each business type, I will do the same, but in this case, I will type in the sumIf function to get the totals. For the criteria, I need to remember to add the asterisk and finally add the sum range for the different branches. I then close the bracket and press the Enter key on my keyboard. Now, I will fill in the answers for the rest of the words automatically. To do this, I highlight these two cells and click on the plus sign on the right and then drag it downwards to the last cell of my dataset. As you can see, I've entered the different values for the different cells that end with each of these words.